Damn, guys. I feel bad for myself.
Yeah, they pa-couple-hearted ko.
I didn't get out and went to Beverly to find my car keys. But like the car keys, they have a keys from the apartment house with a square key with the at the gate. So if you guys know about it, just let me know. Call my number 0985-919-2641. Text me. Is it like this? The car keys, the lock. This is the spare. This is a spare, guys. Spare key, but just like this. Yeah, I just fell it down on the bubong of my sasakyan and it fell down at the ground at the general place. So yeah, and my keys are ready too at the house. So just call me already, guys, okay? And if you guys wanna sell,
Madam, hello.
if you wanna guys buy this one, you can.
Thank you po sa Barbie. Hello, madam. Hello. Are you there? Hello,
50
madam.
pesos each. So,
Thank you, Madam Gira. Sa pag-recover. Grabe, nandyan yung ano natin, utol natin, at Gira.
and if you guys wanna buy a Beyblade, you can also.
Bandita. Ayan, hello, madam. Good evening. Sige, lakay. Thank you, aray ko, Thank you so much. Hello, madam. Magpakilala ka na taga saan nilang taon. Madam. Uy.
Miss Kupal!
Madam.
So yeah, just let me guys know that like, if you guys find it,
Oh, hello.
that's my spare keys. That I showed you guys, this is spare
Madam,
key. And like
magpakilala ka
another
na taga saan
one that
nilang
looks
taon.
like that, but with the
Ano,
apartment
taga
house
Bohol?
and keys.
29 years old.
So,
Ayan, okay. Anong tipo mo sa isang lalaki, madam?
Mabait lang.
Mabait lang. Okay, sino sa kanila ang natitipuan mo gustong kausapin?
mabait naman ako eh.
Sino ba yung naka-off cam? Si Jer? Jer ba yan?
Jero.
Jero?
Jer.
Jer.
Jero.
Si Jero.
Sino sa kanila? Ay, si Jero? Bumaba. Hala ako agad. Oo. Kasi nga, kababalik mo lang. Sige na, akit ka, utol. Bilisan mo. Sige na, akit ka, utol. Dati nakalo ka man.
It's like a,
Oo, ikaw agad. Bumaba ka naman. Sige na.
for all the set right here, it's like around 150 bucks, 150 pesos. If you want, yeah.
Okay, I'm 3 to 1. Open cam, both of you.
This gift from my naliligaw ko dati. Naliligawan ko dati. Yun. But she break my heart. So yeah, then I broke hers. But then, yeah, I already told her that like, I already acted like strangers already. So yeah. Mabait naman ako sa'yo. But if you may mess me up or anything like that, and I'm angry or call me toxic or anything, I'm just gonna ignore that. Dahil I'm mas focus my family, so my tita, my tita from the Biaka,
Ate, pili ka na lang na iba, naglalag siya.
Si ano na lang. Si Sniper.
Sniper, babong!
She's cool.
Patula na pasa siya eh.
She's like 19 years
Huwag
old,
na
but
natin basagin
I
yung
feel like
moment niya.
it's not
Okay,
connection.
ate, meron ka bang
So,
pick-up line or what if para sa isang President Sniper?
so yeah.
Ano?
So There's no connection.
Wala akong maisip eh. Kasi siya yung iniisip ko eh.
9:29
Aray mo!
My birthday is coming up, so she's going to turn 20. But then at the same time, my tita asked me to buy her gift, everything. Because my tita's favorite is her. So I was like, nah, it cannot be. And it's not connection at all. But then my tropa, on the other hand, thinks that I'm lying or anything like that, but I don't care what they said. But then I just gotta focus on my family, my tita, my pinsan. My pinsan is
Masaya
basically,
ang kausap ko.
she's not fake.
Laging
So
tulad.
if you guys think she's fake,
Deden, at
then
tigas at yan,
just leave my side already. My sister, my dad, my
Nanonood
everything,
ka.
my
Pwedeng
son.
ako naman yung panoorin mo.
Yeah.
Ay,
Anyways, if you guys want this, hit me up too.
Gusto ko kasi ayaw ako tayo
I'll sell
dalawa.
this, all of it, pack for 150 pesos only. So that's like, yeah.
Baka ma-restrict ako.
Okay? See you guys later.
hindi ako
I'll take this out.